In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix the FaceTime is actually grayed out on your iPhone when you're trying to make a call to someone. So it can be a saved number or it's a stranger or something. Whenever you're trying to click on the FaceTime, if it's not working in your case, then how we can fix this. And this is what I'm going to talk about in this particular video. So the first thing what you need to do is, if you're having the trouble, you just need to go to the settings. From here, you have to scroll it down all the way down and click on the apps. From here, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the FaceTime and click on it. Make sure the FaceTime is actually turned on. Once you cross-check it, you just need to go back. Now we need to click over here at the top and navigate to the screen time. Now from here, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the content and privacy restrictions. And over here, make sure this is actually turned off. After turning off this, you just need to go back and you have to check. Now you can select the contact in which you're having the trouble with. For example, in my case, I'm having a trouble with a randomly number that I used to receive a couple of days and I wanted to make a FaceTime, but it's not working. So if I click on the FaceTime over here, before that, make sure you have to either save this number on a contact so then you can make the call. So you can just go over here to the edit and go to edit contact info. And over here, you can type something over here like this, and you can just go over here like this. And right now, you can just click on this. So if they're having the FaceTime, most probably you can make the call. But for this particular over here, that's not supported with the FaceTime because the opposite person should have either an Apple product. You should be having an iPhone, there's something called an iPad. Any one of these should be having in your case, or else you'll not be able to make the FaceTime because it's only supports between to Apple products. So make sure that, and these are the things that you need to cross check. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.